What's up, guys? It's my second video from 2 months. Okay, let's go Musket Meadows. Yo, please subscribe because my last video I didn't say that, so please subscribe. Okay, and you should like and share this video too. If we get 10 kills, you all have to subscribe and like and share it with friends. Come on. Oh, where is the... How can I get into out there? No, it's on me! I'm coming to you. Yes, I'm trying. Yes. 22. On me. Yes. Wait. I will pop this. From behind. Yeah, I will come here. Kids. In here too. We are surrounded by kids. I'm trying. But... Hearts! I'm doing. Hunt it! On me! I need help, I'm dead. I'm on 1 HP. I'm literally 1 HP. No more kids. Wait. Break. I break it. No. Okay. Yo. You're muted again. Let's go, Foxy. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Or like, not good, but in 45. Easy kill. I'm getting this kill. It's easy. Free kill. Oh fuck, it's not easy kill. Help me! I'm dead. On me. Fuck off. Kids. Piston. Let me kill you. Piston. He's down under us. Coming. Coming, 2 kids. He's down there, down there, down there. Oh my god, how did I survive? Yes. They're down. Holy shit, man. Gliding. No, my aim sucks. Scope. Yes. 50 white, 81 white. 81 white on him. Yes. From where? Oh fuck. Yeah, we're cooked. Nice. Yeah, let's go down. Go down. Fast. Yeah, nice. Right. Yes, I know. Yes, good idea. Try to get found. We have to find a car, you know. Yes, I am. Like, what do we have? We want. Yes, let's run. We have to run. Kid. Right. I thought that was a kid. He was running. I actually thought that was a kid. But are those real kids or no? Yeah, we don't wanna mess with those stormtroopers. I almost died to them. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Let's go that way. You have the sniper so we can shoot from far away. Okay. Let's go that way. Yes. Wait, what are you in the trio? You should be a IGL or a fragger. You should be an IGL or a fragger. Yes, but you should be IGL or... Like, you can be the second IGL, you know? Or the fragger. Yes. 3. Yeah. You drive. I will spray. I'm spraying. Go, they're healing. Fast. Nice. Fuck. In the line. Cold. Oh, bot on me. Red. Dead. Oh no. You win. No. Yeah. I will go do one thing too. Because we won that fight with you, you know. Because you should be the IGL, you know. Nice. Yeah. In trio you should be the IGL too, because you have the best comps and we won that fight. Oh, okay. You wanna go? Okay. Oh, okay. Is he gonna come online today? Hand. Oh, broken monitor. Yeah, I'm coming there too. I take the bisc. I have no guns. Yep. Took it. They're dead white. Yes, a lot of people. Nice. Try to kill him. Take everything. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Take that. Dead. Yes, of course. I'm staying here. No mats. I need mats. 0 bullets. Is he still in there? I killed one of them, but can you mark him? Okay. No markets, no. Yeah, but there's more kids. I saw footsteps. Oh, I like this more. Kids. Wait. No, my aim sucks. They never see me. I'm so dumb. Why don't I listen to you? I'm dead. Where are we landing? Oh, okay. I have the worst drop of all time. I have the worst drop of all time, you know. My drop, my land is very bad. I think I might die. Yeah, I'm so dead. Give me this. Okay, what am I gonna do? Yo, focus. What am I gonna do? Yo, speak, man. From where? From where? Yo, speak. No, I'm dead. This kid is a god. I'm dead. Just actually not. What can I do? Yeah, what can I do? Okay. Where are we gonna land? Yo, focus. No. No. I wasn't like no about that because I was like I have to like take my controller like charging because I have no percent and my headphones are on it. And I can't play because PlayStation is stupid without my controller. I'm playing on keyboard. Yes. What's gone? The PlayStation is stupid. Xbox is bad. Is there kids at you? The white is low. Of course, I'm getting sniped from 300 meters. I literally got sniped from Samurai. No. I literally got from Canyon Crossing. Kids. I don't know if these are kids or bots. Why is there a Darth Vader? These are kids. They hear me. It's a kid. Oh yeah. Why is there a Darth Vader? Oh fuck. Let's get this. This is easy. real kids. Of course there has to be real kids. He killed me. Wait, no, I'm kidding. Yes, I know this is so annoying. We're so dead. Of course, there's a kids. Just run. Yeah. Do you wanna play one more game? Okay. Wait a sec. Ready up. Guys, this is my last game. Today. Tomorrow I will play. I think this is the last game. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because this is the last game. But if we get 10 kills, you have to subscribe and like and share it to friends, okay? Okay, let's go. Logistapa, you're muted. Yeah. Okay, tomorrow, and there's... Wait, where are you from? Wait, where are you from? Yo, where are you from? Nice. No, Finland. Yeah, you run. If you can. Oh shit. We are so dead. And there's kids on me, of course. Yo, what's... And I have to deal with this kid. I don't wanna fight this kid. Of course he's camping there. Ah, lol. That's piston. Get to me. Try to get to me. Wait, how can I come to you? I'm trying to get to you. Okay, coming. Okay. And somebody's rebooting. Wait, I will try to shoot him to the air. Okay, my aim is he's AFK and I didn't hit anything. How? Oh, no, do not terporos, they know how to play. They actually know how to play. Run! Please, game, let me live. I don't wanna die again. They know how to play. Yes, on me. He's coming, I think. Yeah, he's on me. Nah, he went up. Oh, did you kill him? Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, kids on me. Yes. Alright. That. I thought he was good. Yeah, and there's a kid. 29. Key. Alright. On me. 70 white. Die! He's 1 HP. You mean him? Nice! Nice, man. I was so scared. I didn't think you were gonna die, but... Nice. Yeah. Of course there's gonna be... Yeah. Can you pop them? Pop that. Like, of course there has to be more kids. Yeah, let's go. So many kids on here. You want a key? Yeah, you want a key? Yeah, let's go kill those kids. In there. Yeah, go. I will try to shoot him. Yes, I can see. Oh, from where? Max 60. Coming. Yes. I'm here. Alright. He's 1 HP. No, his teammate is on me too. Give me this, nice. Yeah, pulled. Yeah, mats. Careful. Nice, there's a shield in my body. What? Oh, he took them. Camp. Yeah, go down. There's a body. Oh, yeah, run. Yeah, you can reboot in Foxy. Yeah, go up there. You can reboot me in there. What? Take the reboot för. Like I thought that the guy who was spraying at me was you. Because you killed the guy who was spraying at me when I had two guys in my box. Let's go to the loot from there. Yo, I need loot. I have nothing. The pistol. What? Holy! Yeah. Yeah. Suit. Yeah, suit there, nice. Right, let me... Me too. Come. But I push. Wait. Yo. This car has a nice haircut. Yeah, look. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the hair. No, there. Bro, now he's bald again. Bro. You destroyed my car. Kid. 20. You drive. Oh, let me drive. Drive. He might be a... Oh, wait, those kids are bots, man. They are completely bots. Oh, yeah. Let's go to that. Bro, I have no movement. From where? Yes. What? Yeah, we're dead. Have no mats. Few bullets. Yeah, we're so dead. I don't even... You have no... Yeah, run. If you can. Yeah.